Set the desk. Can we get to the center? Pull it out. Can we get to the center? Not picture, me and you, really like your dad.
All non-essential personnel in back-out sectors report to logistics for new assignment.
Can we get to the center? Pull it out.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Wow.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
On the top of the spaceship, look.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Pucara personnel, this is your final call.
That's better.
Right, here we go.
Motivator.
Hold on.
I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes.
Here we go.
Hyperdrive also.
Look at it.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nine-Nom. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch.
Here we go.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE fighters. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
More incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake your balloon.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
vessel TR-141. Identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Dude, quick, get out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This vessel is now under the control of the First Order. Get out!
I've been taken by the First Order. You will give that information now. Go this way. Now!
She speaks French.
How many? 3.
3.
We'll join the unit of 3. You said 3? Yes. I need to check him for assignment. Follow me. Unfortunate for you. Times. Single file. Go in the net. I need 1 spy. Quickly.
Stop! How many? Red. Quickly. On blue. Blue. Silver. Silver. Remember your interrogation colors. They will be used to send you to your long-term detention facility. There is to be no talking, laughing, any noise, and definitely no hollow imaging.
Prisoners are secured.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
On your right. Silver, orange with me. All bags have to be out before you enter the transport. All bags
Silver.
out. Silver or white. All bags out before
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo list. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the doors are the further.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection block breach. Quickly block C and left D. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! The escape pods just follow us! Okay! No! I said now!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's copied. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're right.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.